If you handed me a laptop, an internet connection, and nothing else, and told me to build a smarter financial life from scratch, I'd open one tab: ChatGPT. Why? Because this isn't just a chatbot. It's a financial game changer. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I'd use ChatGPT to budget better, invest smarter, and save money faster, step by step. Because here's the truth: most people don't need more money. They need better tools, better systems, better thinking. And with AI on your side, you suddenly gain access to something most people never had: personalized, 24/7 financial guidance for free. Let's break this down. Step 1. I build a budget using real-life context. The first thing I do is tell ChatGPT exactly how much I earn, what I spend, and what my goals are. Example: create a zero-based monthly budget for someone making $3,500 per month after tax, paying $1,100 in rent, $250 in utilities, $400 on groceries, $300 in transport, and wants to save $500. ChatGPT can instantly structure your spending around your priorities. It's like having a financial coach who doesn't judge you, and works in seconds. Then I'd follow up with prompts like: give me 3 ways to cut down $100 from this budget. Suggest an automated system to manage this budget using free tools. Turn this budget into a weekly spending plan. Every answer is a free consultation. And it's 100% tailored to your numbers. Step 2. I'd use it to track spending and spot leaks. I'd paste in my bank transactions from the last month, anonymized of course, and ask: can you categorize these expenses and show me where I'm overspending? Or, group these into needs, wants, and waste. With one prompt, ChatGPT can show you where your money's disappearing, and how to stop the leaks. Step 3. I'd use ChatGPT to design my saving plan. Let's say I want to save for a $5,000 emergency fund. I'd ask: design a 6-month savings plan to reach $5,000 starting with $500 in savings. My income is $3,500, and my monthly expenses are $3,000. ChatGPT will show me exactly how much to save, what to cut, and even how to automate it. Then I'd follow up with: what are some high-yield savings account options in my country? Create an accountability checklist for sticking to this savings goal. Step 4. I'd use it to learn investing, one question at a time. Most people never invest because they're afraid of looking dumb or making mistakes. But ChatGPT is a judgment-free zone. I can ask it anything. Explain index funds like I'm 5. Compare Roth IRA versus traditional IRA. How much do I need to retire at 60 with $50,000 per year? And the answers? Customized, clear, and simplified. No gatekeeping. No jargon. Just clarity. I'd even ask it to build a diversified portfolio based on my risk level. Build a sample investment portfolio for a 30-year-old beginner investor with $1,000 and moderate risk tolerance. You now have a personal investment advisor in your pocket. Step 5. I'd use ChatGPT to stay consistent and accountable. Sticking to financial goals is hard. But ChatGPT can act like an accountability buddy. Remind me every Monday to check my budget. Create a motivational message for when I feel like giving up on my goals. Write a weekly journal prompt to reflect on my spending habits. You can even build a financial routine with it. Design a weekly 15-minute money check-in with tasks. Suddenly, you're not alone. You're supported, encouraged, organized. Step 6. I'd use it to find new ways to earn more. ChatGPT is more than a money tracker, it's a moneymaker. Give me 10 side hustles I can start with $0. Turn this list of skills into freelance job ideas. Help me build a pricing structure for my digital service. This tool doesn't just cut costs. It creates opportunities. It turns knowledge into income. Step 7. I'd ask it to protect me from financial traps. What should I avoid? What common scams target beginners? How do I know if a debt relief ad is legit? ChatGPT gives neutral, factual warnings in plain English. It can even analyze sample loan offers or insurance policies. Analyze this loan offer and tell me if it's risky. You're no longer financially blind. You're empowered. Final thought. ChatGPT won't make your money decisions for you. But it will make you smarter about them. It removes the shame. It reduces the confusion. And it gives you a safe place to learn, explore, and grow your money skills. If I were starting over, this is exactly how I'd use it, not as a gimmick, but as a tool. A free, intelligent, non-judgmental money coach. Because when you combine financial intention with AI assistance, you don't just survive, you level up. The future of personal finance isn't in spreadsheets. It's in smarter conversations, with yourself, your money, and yes, even your AI. And it all starts with one simple question: ChatGPT, how do I take control of my money today?